Morning children, second class. I hope everyone is ready with your science classwork notebook, isn't it? So yesterday I give two examples. Okay. So have you done the practice? Okay. Like you have done the practice means just you went with the oral drilling practice or writing practice. Say if you do the writing practice, it is much better. At least one time you do the practice at home. Okay children. Why I meant to say? Because if you write, you can easily remember those answers. Okay, give two examples answers. Now let me start today. Fill in the blanks. Are you all ready with the classwork? So let me start the fill in the blanks class. Okay, so only today I will give you one exercise, only fill in the blanks, but you should write very neatly. Tomorrow I will give you question answers. Okay, so today question is what? Exercise is only fill in the blanks. Okay, none other bits. Come on, write down. What is that? Lesson number 2. Lesson number 2. Write the name of the lesson. I think everyone had written the name of the lesson already, isn't it? Now we will write. I am going to write the first. Let me start the name of the lesson. Plants are useful. Plants are useful. Okay, so underline. This is the name of the lesson. Now write the heading above the margin line, children. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. Okay. Write very neatly. Cursive handling it should be. Come on, write first blank. Plants, first letter capital letter. Start with the capital letter. Plants give us what? What do they give us? Plants give us food. Yes. Instead of saying fruits, vegetable, grains, you can say one answer is food. Plants give us food. Okay. Second one, number 2. Seeds of some plants, capital S. Seeds of some plants. Can you able to follow my handwriting? This handwriting is very clear for you. Okay. Seeds of some plants. Seeds of some plants give us what? What do they give us? What? Flowers, oil, then what? Or fruits? No. They give us what? Oil. Seeds of some plants give us oil. Okay. Third one. Okay. Next one. Plants help to keep the air what? Plants help to keep the air dirt or fresh? To keep the air, yes, fresh. To keep the air fresh. Spell the word of fresh. F-R-E-S-H, fresh. Okay, you write very neat handwriting. Look at the strokes and write. Okay. First letter everyone should start from the capital letter, children. First one, what I gave? Plants give us food. Number 2, seeds of some plants give us oil. Plants help to keep the air fresh. To keep the air fresh, not dirt. Okay. The next one, be ready. We get rubber from rubber tree. We get rubber from, what is that? Yes, rubber tree. Look at the strokes, all of you. Please children, look at that B, E, the way how I am writing a T letter, upper strokes letter. Okay. So please take out that upper stroke letter should have touched to the first line. If it is down strokes, go to the fourth line. If it is a midline letters, touch to midline letters. Okay children. So what is the first one? Plants give us food. Seeds of some plants give us oil. Plants help to keep the air fresh. We get rubber from rubber tree. What do we get? Yes, rubber from rubber tree. Okay. Now fifth one. Yes. We get sugar. We get sugar. From where do we get the sugar? We get sugar from the stem of sugarcane plant. From the stem of sugarcane. From the stem of sugarcane. Spell the word of sugarcane. Yes, I will write it above. We get sugar from the stem of sugarcane plant. What is that? Sugarcane plant. Okay. Is it clear children? Sixth one. We get tea from tea leaves. We get tea from tea leaves. Tea leaves. Spell the word of L-E-A-V-E-S full stop. Underline with the red pencil. If you have red pencil, you can underline for the fill in the blanks with the red pencils. Okay. Give a thin line, not a thick line. Now, sixth one I had given. So, what is that sixth one? We get tea from tea leaves. Okay. Seventh one. We eat fruits of some plants. We eat fruits of some plants. We eat fruits of some plants. Okay. Eighth blank. Seven is enough for you. So other bits I will give it in this. Choose the correct word. Okay. Yes, children. Copy down this from the blanks. Yes, 7 is enough for you. Big plants provide. What do they provide? Eighth one. This is the last one. Eighth blank. Big plants provide shade. Big plants. First letter, capital letter. Big plants provide. What do they provide? Big plants. Big plants provide us shade. Okay. That's enough. Now fourth blank I gave. We get rubber from rubber tree. We get sugar from the stem of sugarcane plant. We get tea from tea leaves. We eat fruits of some plants. Big plants provide shade for us. Okay. So 8 blanks I had given. You write this as make it as a homework one time. You write fill in the blanks. Homework one time. Learn and write. You should have to only one time you should write, children. Write this fill in the blanks. Okay. Just this is the homework for you all. Then afterwards I will give you one more homework tomorrow. That is for drawing all. After completing all those exercises, no, I will give you some drawings. Okay. So for that pictures that we can do it in the class. Now what are the fill in the blanks I had given for you? That related to textbook only. All textbook fill in the blanks only. We are related to it is only from your lesson. Okay. So whatever we had learned from the lesson, that particular blanks only I had removed. Okay. So I had given that fill in the blanks. Okay. So please children, do the practice. Do the oral drilling plan. Each blank you read 3 times. How you should have to read? First I gave the different blanks. First 3. Okay. I had given the practice for you. Now fourth one. We get rubber from rubber tree. We get rubber from rubber tree. Third time again. Like that you should have to read. We get rubber from rubber tree. Spell the word of rubber. R-U-B-B-E-R. Sorry, B-B-E-R, rubber. R-U-B-B-E-R, rubber. Okay. Now you tell me, spell the word of sugarcane. S-U-G-A-R-C-A-N-E, sugarcane. Okay. So from where you will get the sugar? From the stem of sugarcane plant. Okay. So now one more thing. Spell the word. Plants give us what? Which air? Fresh air. Which type of air you are getting? Fresh. Spell the word of fresh. F-R-E-S-H. Fresh. Now we get tea. Tea from tea leaves. Not from tea seed. It is tea leaves. Spell the word of leaves. L-E-A-V-E-S. Leaves. We get tea from tea leaves. Once again. We get tea from tea leaves. Next one. We eat fruits of some plants. We eat fruits of some plants. Big plants provide shade for us. Which plants you will get the shade? What is the meaning of shade? Yes, needa. Ekkada vastundi meeku needa ekkada dorugutundi? When if there is a big tree, then you can sit under the tree. You can take relax, isn't it? And during summer season, you need just for to relax, or you want to take rest if you are going for somewhere, okay, with your parents, or if you are going somewhere out. Then if you feel so tired at that time, it was so hot, sunny time, okay. So during sunny day, what do you feel? You want to sit for a time, for a while, isn't it? Where will you sit? Yes, you have to sit under the, if you go to, sometimes you can, example you take the park, if you are going to any park with your parents, yes, where you people will sit? Under the tree, because you feel so fresh, isn't it? You will get the fresh air and you will get the shade. So we eat which of some plants? Fruits of some plants. All the plants, some plants they are giving us fruits, vegetable, but we are using some plants of fruits. We eat some fruits of some plants. Okay children. So we eat vegetables of some plants. We eat leaves of some plants. I had given the example for you all. Isn't it? What are the flowers? 2 flowers. Cauliflower, broccoli. Okay. Then what about the leaves? Lettuce, spinach. Isn't it? Even coriander is also there. Okay. So all those such type of things which we are using from the plants. Is it clear children? Okay. So you please keep on writing. Say and learn and write children. Without any mistake. You should have to copy down the fill in the blanks in your class of notebook. Okay. So I hope this class is very clear for you all. So will you do it? If I give one more bit, you get more confused. Okay. So let me go with one exercise. Today fill in the blanks, tomorrow question answers. Then after question answers we will go for HOTS. Okay. That is only one different typical question I am going to ask you in the HOTS. So that is also one day I will spend with you. Okay. So today this is enough for you for only fill in the blanks. I gave that to 8 fill in the blanks. So 8 fill in the blanks matters. You have to write, make it as a homework. If you want to write in the homework, you can write in the class of note, or else you write in the rough book. Okay. If you write in the class book, that is far better. You write in the class of notebook only one time. so that you get more practice. Okay. So while saying, say and write, children. This is the most important. Okay. So thank you, children. I hope this class is very clear, second class. So keep on writing without wasting your time, and keep on not only writing, you have to go for the learning practice. Reading skills are much and more important. If you have textbook, just take out a textbook and read the lesson. Okay. So if you do more practice, you will get easily to learn any lesson. Okay. So today I gave the fill in the blanks. It means that this is enough. You have done it. You have done the work. No. You have to sit and complete your homework of what? Learning and reading practice. Okay, children. So I hope everyone will follow my words and they will do it. So thank you, children. And tomorrow we will see with a new exercise. That is from question answers we will start. Okay. Thank you. Bye.